Isang makabuluhan at masayang pagbati sa lahat ng Tabukenyos ngayong selebrasyon ng Tabuk City at Mataguan Festival. Kastamet nga yibkas ko itinalaus unay apan nag-iyaman ko kada kayo amin nga kakailyan iti awan labas na a suportayo itinumo nang runa itinapalabas apan nagpipili. Tawatik man ti suporta ti tunggal maysa itinak panag-akem manen akas ama iti syudad tayo. We are profoundly grateful to the remarkable people of Tabuk City, those who have bravely embraced their lives here, built families, and made this place their home. While many in our families have ventured to other places and abroad, the beauty of being a Tabukenyo lies in our unwavering connection to our roots. We always find a way back to Tabuk. No matter where fate and destiny lead us, Tabuk will forever be our home. It is where our childhood flourished and where our hearts truly belong. Sa lahat ng minamahal kong Tabukenyos, ngayong selebrasyon ng 75th founding anniversary at ng Mataguan Festival, balikan natin ang mga sakripisyo hindi lang ng mga lideres ng syudad, kundi lahat ng Tabukenyos upang marating natin ang pagbabago at progreso ng ating syudad. As we move forward together as leaders and citizens of this great city, let us renew our commitment to being responsible and accountable. As your re-elected mayor of Tabuk City, I pledge to serve our community, our Kakailyans. I took an oath to serve the people of Tabuk City, and I will always honor that oath. I will not let you down, but I will need your support and cooperation. Together, we can achieve our vision. We will continue to make progress. Aabante tayo. By moving forward, we will ensure that more developments come our way. Tabuk City will continue to prosper. That is a promise and commitment that I will keep.